guys, and welcome back to another video from the Bull and Bear Analyst. Today we're looking at the crude oil markets. Just before we start, as always, if anyone is interested in joining my free market analysis group over on Telegram, please feel free to scan the barcode on your screen right now. Okay, so going back to the crude oil, currently trading at around $83.7 per barrel. So the crude oil, as expected, is heading towards the $80 per barrel level, and we did expect that. We did say that we're going to get a rejection from our high levels. There we are seeing poor performance from the crude oil. We are heading downwards, and despite the energy being very strong, I did mention that yesterday, we are seeing the crude oil going down, but this doesn't mean that it's going to be like this forever. Yes, we will get a rally as long as the demand for oil and gas spike in the winter, and that's most likely going to happen. It's not looking like a de-escalation in Ukraine. So Europe will drive that price up. What we are waiting for is, when will that happen? We just need some event, some fundamental event for it to happen. After the gains, however, technically speaking, we are expected to see such decline, and we will probably test around these levels. We might go back below our trend line here and test it again, and this is very possible. And what we will see from here is, well, crude oil go back to the 80 and test that level, and potentially go back up to the 50-day EMA and test it again as the new roof, let's call it. But I definitely think, long-term speaking, oil is going to be very strong. It's going to be around the $100 mark or the $95 per barrel mark. I'm speaking in terms of demand and the fundamentals that will help us going into next year. De-escalation is not happening. I don't think OPEC Plus is willing to increase their production. I think there will be a price war, just like what we had in 2014, very soon. But this time there will be a lot of demand instead of last time when we had too much oil in the market. Now we really don't. So that will push up the market up towards what I expected, around the 95. But that will be a much of a long-term thing, maybe next 2-3 months.